Leetown Pike and Dark Lane. I'm in a collision.
Okay, and I'm sorry, who is this?
Active Georgia 1.
Okay. Are there any injuries?
I don't know. Hold on, Jim. So go ahead and start fire rescue.
Okay. Jefferson and Shaker County units will take a MVA with injury only Town Pike, Dark Lane.
12.
1241.
Jefferson, I have 20 is for you when you're ready to note down.
Good, 33. Go ahead.
The Sheriff's Office.
9 is 79 Delta 815.
79 Delta 815.
Jefferson, second 28 is going to be 87 Delta 238 in a Ford pickup truck.
10-4.
Jefferson, be on Sheriff's Office.
10-4-21.
Nineteen 21 Jefferson, 27.
Go ahead.
Foxtrot 933570. That's me.
Okay, stay on.
Box 470K and vehicle injury.
41, head out into the
report this. You just have an accident at Dark Lane and Old East.
Dark
Rescue, please.
Okay, Dark. So is anyone injured?
Head out to the MVA or is it?
The car, I'm sure they are. Airbags deployed.
Check with 41. I'm not sure where she's at.
Alright, hold on one second. We're getting a couple of calls on it. Let me put you on hold to answer another 911, okay?
I left the office. I'm en route to the MVA.
I got him. Accident.
10-4-41.
Go here, okay?
Hi, there's been an accident at the intersection of Dark Lane and Old Leetown Pike. Oh, I can't hang up. I'm on the phone with him.
Are you involved?
No, I just rolled up on it. There's a...
We got multiple calls on it. We have someone there care of that tip ball, so I'm going to go ahead and let you go so we can talk.
Are you there? Okay, I just didn't want to hang up or anything because I had already had you on the phone.
No, that's fine. I'll let you go.
Alright, thank you.
Bye.
41 Jefferson, West Virginia, 27.
Go ahead.
Call for 071498.
10-4.